Hey guys, it's Sami again here. After long time, I hope you enjoyed this weekend, and let's talk about a subject. Uh, these days, I'm working too much with Excel and Microsoft packages, and I want to talk about macros. What is a macro? Let me open this page. I have this page, Pro Test Excel format, Excel extension. And okay, what's a macro? And macro, what is a macro in Excel or macro in all Microsoft packages, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and tell me you know better than me. Okay, a macro is an action or a set of actions that you can run as many times as you want. Let me convert it to technically. With other word, a macro is a set of functions. Macro is a set of functions, set of rules that is routed in some specific language, but we don't know which language is that. Because that's Microsoft package, it's really potentially going for Visual Basic. But let's see. Okay, but let me show you what's mean. Okay, guys, if now let me see where is the macros, because guys, I am, yes, record macro. Okay, I'm saying here, it say give me a name for your macro. I'm saying here is Sami test. Okay, and I'm going to write description to know what is doing this macro, because it's possible maybe you have in some of cases hundreds of thousands of hundreds of macros in one page. Okay, this macro controls main page, for example, huh? And I'm saying okay, and now take a look here. Now this Microsoft Excel page is going to record what I'm doing. I'm saying this tree I want to have red color, and here I want to add test for column, and here I'm saying G F D K B and U before that. For example, I say here next one is for example Mr. X, and is G, like this. These are functions, guys. I'm just choosing simple things. When I'm changing or adding something here, it's an action. Okay, an action can be very complicated, and an action can also be very simple. And in this particular case, we want to just take a deep look on it and see, hey, what's that actually, and take a look. Okay, and I'm saying here, okay, stop, and I'm saying okay, stop recording. Now stopped. Okay, just something, this macro recorded something and just disappears. And here I have macros. When I'm clicking on the macros, I'm seeing here macros what I have. And if you hit now edit, take a look here, guys. Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. What happened? What happened actually in the background when I changed those things here? Just Microsoft Excel page has converted that things into a Microsoft Visual Basic function. This is a function in Microsoft Visual Basic language. And take a look here. It say R3 select font color is this, and I add just column 4, and it's here formula text 4, and you see here gf. I add those things, and I add just cell here. And with other word, and take a look here, I am now be able to write the code here. I say here active. I'm really, for example, I wanna add something more, and I can mix my code with this. But guys, just wait a moment. In this case, I know what this macro is doing. But imagine in some of cases that you get an Excel page from emails or from other colleges or someone from outside, and then you don't know which functions are mixed or are merged with that page, and how we are be able to check them. Because here we have very simple functions. Here we can make just harmful functions. For example, when you open it, it's going to convert you to a page, and it's going just to harm your computer, or infect your computer, or you know that everything is possible, because you are going to open something on your machine, and when you click on that, you say okay, you click on that, and with other word, you wanna open it because you get it. And just now, hey Sammy, how we have to check them. Okay, it's really easily just alt F11, and just check those functions. Check those functions. You can look, take a look here. You are be able to, when you see this, for example, you say okay, and that's just really easy one. But when you see, for example, other function, other suspect function, and then you have to check it. For example, sometimes it's going to direct you to other page, or you to other URL page, or it's going to send, for example, some things to someone, or I don't know. All things possible. The point, when you click on some things, that's finished. Everything can happen. I can't even imagine what are possibilities to happen, because there are too much. And this is really important. Guys, I want to tell you something else. This Microsoft Visual Basic application is now, I know this about 20 years, because I'm writing code in Visual Basic 6 in years of 2002, 3, 4, 5, if I'm not wrong. And this is the backbone of Microsoft software, just Visual Basic, really. And knowing of Visual Basic gives you really good picture of Microsoft applications, and you know the Microsoft Visual Basic, it's just basic. It's just basic, but it's boom basic. Okay, and just you open it, you check it, functions. If you do not understand what is programming language and what is this going to do, just ask, and you see this. Just you see, for example, here you can read it. Okay, it's just adding something here, it's just cell, and if there is other codes, you have to write them. Because in some of cases, for example, you see in first function they are going to use some of these squares and these spaces, and other functions is going to fill up these functions. Oh, just let me take it so simple. And that's why, and that was, sorry, uh, with this method you can just check them if there is some fucking stuff, and at the time you run this, you see here, take a look. It's going to repeat one time very fast. Take a look, see. It's that's just action. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the point and enjoy my point, what I'm saying. When you get email, or it's, for example, it's just Microsoft Excel page, for example, or I don't know, or it's just fucking Microsoft Word page, or I don't know, just just do not open that, and check them, check them, because that's starting to burn you. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop it right now, and have a nice day.